Hello friends, let's do the unboxing of Havells Festiva 1200 ceiling fan. It's dust resistance, it's a green color, it has exotic look. So let's open it up and see what all it offers. So this is the central part and these are the wings. So first let's look at the main box. So just for reference, the design of this fan is like this. So you can see some metallic finish over here, some metallic lining here, and the color for this unit is gray. So if you see the MRP, it says rupees 4120, but it's available around 3000 rupees on Amazon. So this is the stick. It feels very heavy in hand. Then these are the cups. Both are of similar color. These are some of the screws and other things that you will need. And then this is the main body. So this is the main body and this is how it feels. So it feels really premium. You can see metallic lining on all the sides. In fact, two linings, and very shiny surface. And these cups also have some chrome finish around it. And now let's look at the wings. So it provides 2-year guarantee from Havells. And now let's see the wings. So its blades are of length 1200 or 120 centimeter. Now let's see the blades. So these are the blades. You can see the gray color and you can see the metallic lining, the chrome linings over here on all the blades. So it feels like 3D. So it's one lining, two lining, three lining, and it's like one overlapped over on the top of other. So it gives a really premium and nice look to the blades. So that's all in this video. So I hope you like this fan. If you want to purchase it, I will leave a link in the description of the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel.